Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to find nearby people on Instagram by using the map feature. So you need to first go ahead and open your Instagram application on your device, log into that specific account. And once you're logged in, click on your inbox icon to go to your messages section. And once you're there, you need to find and tap on the map option. In my case, my location is turned off. Once you turn your location on, you can go ahead and type in the name of your city, neighborhood, or nearby landmark, and the map will center on that specific location. If your friends have enabled location sharing for their stories will appear as pins on the map. You can tap on any pin to view that person's story and see its exact location. Please note that this feature only shows friends who have enabled map sharing and included location data in their stories. It will not show strangers or accounts that you do not follow. This feature is primarily useful for finding friends in your vicinity rather than discovering new people. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.